Welcome to CosySpace Living, your go-to channel for apartment inspiration, interior design, and decor ideas. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest challenges faced by apartment dwellers: maximizing storage space, especially in smaller rentals. With limited square footage and strict rental agreements, finding functional yet stylish storage solutions can seem like an impossible task. But don't worry, we've got you covered with renter-friendly storage ideas that will transform your small apartment without breaking the rules. If you're ready to create more space and style in your home, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your favorite storage hack. In small apartments, every inch matters, and one of the most overlooked spaces is the back of your doors. Over-the-door storage units are an affordable and versatile solution for everything from shoes and accessories to cleaning supplies. These hangers come in a variety of sizes and materials, making them perfect for any room, whether it's the bedroom, bathroom, or even kitchen. The best part? They're renter-friendly because they don't require drilling or permanent installation. You can easily remove them without causing damage to your doors. Opt for clear or mesh pockets in the bathroom for storing toiletries, or use sturdy canvas versions in your bedroom to organize scarves, belts, and jewelry. Think creatively about how you can use this vertical space. It's an instant game changer for small apartments. When it comes to furniture in small spaces, it's all about multifunctionality. Every piece should serve more than one purpose. Ottomans with hidden storage, beds with built-in drawers, and fold-out desks are perfect examples of furniture that helps you maximize space while keeping things organized. For instance, a storage ottoman can serve as a coffee table, additional seating, and a place to store blankets, books, or even off-season clothing. Bed frames with built-in drawers or underbed storage containers are a lifesaver for bedrooms with limited closet space. By choosing multifunctional furniture, you can minimize clutter without sacrificing style. Always look for pieces that blend aesthetics with practicality to ensure your apartment feels both spacious and cohesive. Floating shelves are a chic and renter-friendly way to add both storage and personality to your small apartment. Whether you use them in the living room to display books, plants, and decor, or in the kitchen for spices and dishes, floating shelves keep things off the floor, freeing up valuable surface area. They're easy to install with adhesive strips or brackets that won't damage the walls, making them ideal for renters. Floating shelves come in all shapes, sizes, and finishes, so you can customize them to match your apartment's aesthetic. For a more minimalistic look, opt for sleek metal or wood shelves. If you prefer a cozier vibe, you can even add small baskets or containers on the shelves to keep smaller items organized. The space under your bed is prime real estate for storage, yet it's often underutilized. Investing in under-the-bed storage bins or drawers can help you stash away items that aren't in daily use. Think off-season clothing, extra linens, or even books and documents. There are various storage options available, from zippered fabric bins to sliding plastic drawers with wheels, all designed to fit snugly under your bed. If your bed sits low to the ground, consider bed risers to give yourself even more room for storage. This space can become your secret weapon in creating a clutter-free and organized apartment, and it doesn't require making any permanent changes to your rental. Pegboards aren't just for workshops or garages, they can be a stylish and functional storage solution in any small apartment. They're easy to install and customizable, making them perfect for renters who want a temporary yet effective way to stay organized. Hang a pegboard in the kitchen to store utensils, pots, and pans, or use one in your home office for organizing supplies like scissors, pens, and cables. The beauty of pegboards is their versatility. You can add or rearrange hooks, shelves, and baskets as needed. Pegboards come in different sizes and colors, so they can blend seamlessly into your decor while also serving a practical purpose. Closets in small apartments are often cramped, but with the right organization tools, you can make the most of even the tiniest wardrobe. Hanging closet organizers, shoe racks, and shelf dividers can turn an overcrowded closet into a well-organized space. Consider investing in slim, non-slip hangers to save on rod space and keep clothes from sliding around. Closet rods that double as additional hanging space can also give you more room for clothing. Don't forget about the vertical space at the top of your closet. Install stackable bins or fabric boxes to store items you don't use often. With a little creativity and the right products, even the smallest closet can accommodate a well-rounded wardrobe. There you have it, renter-friendly storage ideas to maximize space in your small apartment. From over-the-door storage and multifunctional furniture to floating shelves and closet organizers, these tips will help you declutter and transform your space without making any permanent changes. Whether you're dealing with limited square footage or just want a more organized home, these ideas are easy to implement and budget-friendly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to CosySpace Living, and comment below with your own storage tips or questions. We'd love to hear how you're making the most of your space. Until next time, happy decorating!